my little explorers! It's Teacher Lucy. Today we're going to discover 3 amazing worlds together. First, we have the green forest, where tall trees sway and little animals love to play hide and seek. Next is the sparkling river, where the water glitters and fish and crabs swim happily. And finally, the golden desert, with warm sand, tall cacti, and gentle camels. Are you ready, my friends? Then, let's begin our adventure with Teacher Luxie. First, Teacher Lucy pours soft green sand to make our bright, leafy forest. Next, I sprinkle warm yellow sand on the left side. This will become our cozy desert home. Now I pour colorful pebbles along the line between the 2 lands. Look how the colors make everything pop! Right in the center, I pour shiny blue water to create our beautiful river. The water spreads out just like a real stream in nature. Near the waterfall area, I gently place the waterfall model in its spot. On the right, I add mossy rock mountains. Our forest is starting to look real, isn't it? Then I place a curved stone bridge across the river. In the desert area, I add big rocks and dry grass. Just a few more touches and the desert will be complete. And finally, we add coral, seaweed, shells, and little treasures to make our world even more magical. Ta-da! Our diorama is finished! Now let's explore where each animal lives. Malay parrot. Malay parrots have bright red and green feathers that really stand out. They are very smart and can even copy human sounds. Their strong, curved beaks help them crack nuts and fruit. They live in groups and squawk loudly to talk to each other. These parrots love flying between tall treetops. Their wide wings help them travel long distances. When they're happy, they shake their heads and flutter their wings playfully. Red panda. Red pandas have soft reddish-brown fur and a fluffy striped tail. They move gracefully and spend most of their time in trees. Their favorite foods are bamboo, fruit, and eggs. Red pandas enjoy quiet, peaceful places. When scared, they stand tall to look bigger. Their round eyes help them see well at night. They move gently and are incredibly cute. Giant panda. Pandas have a famous black and white coat. They spend most of the day chewing bamboo. They are calm and gentle animals. Their strong teeth help them crush tough bamboo. Pandas love napping in funny positions. They live in cool, quiet bamboo forests. Their round, chubby bodies make them adorable. Deer. Deer have slender legs and run very quickly. Their ears are super sensitive and hear tiny sounds. They eat grass, soft leaves, and young shoots. Male deer often have big antlers to protect themselves. Deer live in herds to stay safe. Their light scent blends well with the forest. They are gentle animals that love quiet woods. Macaw. Macaws have long, beautiful tails and bright, colorful feathers. They are loving and extremely smart. Their loud calls echo through the forest. They enjoy nuts, palm fruits, and wild berries. They communicate with calls and cute head movements. Macaws are strong, fast flyers. They live in pairs or large groups. Squirrel. Squirrels have fluffy tails like soft brushes. They jump quickly from branch to branch. Their favorite snacks are nuts, pine cones, and small fruits. Squirrels hide food for the winter. Their big eyes help them watch everything around them. Their tiny squeaks sound adorable. They live alone but are very curious. Porcupine. Porcupines have long, sharp quills for protection. They walk slowly but carefully. When scared, they raise their quills to warn enemies. They eat roots, leaves, and forest fruits. Their ears and nose are very sensitive. Porcupines like quiet, shady places. Even though they look scary, they're gentle animals. Pythons have long, powerful bodies. They use their forked tongues to smell the environment. They eat small birds and mammals. The patterns on their skin help them hide in the forest. They often sunbathe to warm their bodies. Even though they are big, pythons are usually gentle and avoid people. Wild boar. Wild boars have strong bodies and curved tusks. They run very fast when scared. They dig for roots, insects, and plants. Their thick fur protects them well. Wild boars live in small groups. They are brave and protect their babies fiercely. Their strong noses help them dig through soil. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and very soft fur. They love eating veggies and fresh grass. They hop lightly and run quickly. Rabbits get scared by small sounds. They live in cozy burrows underground. Their twitchy noses help them smell everything. They are gentle and easy to take care of. Monkey. Monkeys are fast, playful, and full of energy. Their hands help them climb, grab, and pick fruit. They live in groups and chatter loudly. They eat fruit, leaves, and sometimes insects. Monkeys are very smart and love games. Monkey moms take great care of their babies. They enjoy living in deep, tall forests. Capybara. Capybaras are the biggest rodents in the world. They are peaceful and get along with many animals. They love swimming and soaking in cool water. They eat grass, leaves, and fruit. Their tiny chirps sound like peep peep. They live in friendly groups. Their round bodies look very cute. Chameleon. Chameleons change color based on mood or surroundings. Their eyes move separately to look both ways at once. Their long tongue shoots out fast to catch insects. Their rough skin helps them hide well. They climb easily with their special feet. They move slowly and carefully. Chameleons live in warm, leafy forests. Hippopotamus. Hippos are huge but amazing swimmers. They spend hours in water to stay cool. Their wide mouths have big, strong teeth. They eat grass at night. Even though they look slow, they can run fast. Hippos protect their babies bravely. They live in large rivers and lakes. Snake. Snakes slither smoothly by bending their bodies. They use their strong sense of smell to find food. Snakes swallow their meals whole. Some snakes have venom to protect themselves. They hide in grass or between rocks. Their bodies are soft and flexible. They feel vibrations to sense danger. Tree frog. Tree frogs have sticky toes to hold onto leaves. Their bright green color matches the trees. They croak loudly during rain or at night. Tree frogs eat insects and tiny bugs. Their moist skin helps them breathe. They jump far and move quickly. They live high up in cool, damp trees. Poison dart frog. These frogs have bright colors that warn predators. Their skin has strong natural toxins. They are tiny but very eye-catching. They eat ants and small insects. Their moist skin helps them move easily. They live in warm, wet rainforests. Their calls echo through the bushes. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect their bodies. They move slowly but steadily. They eat plants or small fish, depending on the species. Turtles can live for many, many years. When scared, they hide inside their shell. They like sunbathing to warm up. They live both on land and in water. Red fox. Red foxes have bright orange-red fur. They are clever and move quietly. They hunt mice, rabbits, and insects. Their ears are very sharp. Foxes live alone and explore at night. Their fluffy tails help them balance and stay warm. They are quick and graceful. Lion. Lions are the kings of the savannah. Male lions have big, majestic manes. They live in large family groups called prides. Lions are strong hunters and work together. Their roars can be heard from miles away. They rest for most of the day. Lion cubs are playful and full of energy. Lemur. Lemurs have long black and white striped tails. They live in groups and are very social. They leap far between branches. They eat fruits, leaves, and insects. Their big eyes help them see at night. They love sunbathing in the morning. Their calls sound cheerful and fun. Camel. Camels have humps that store energy. They handle heat very well. Their long eyelashes protect their eyes from sand. They walk far across deserts without much water. Their wide feet help them step on soft sand. Camels are gentle but sometimes stubborn. They live in small groups. Kangaroos have strong back legs for powerful jumps. They carry their babies in a front pouch. They eat grass and small plants. They move mostly by hopping. Their thick tails help them balance. Male kangaroos are big and strong. They live in the grasslands of Australia. Giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks in the world. They eat leaves from very tall trees. Their long legs help them run quickly. Their eyes and ears are always watching for danger. They are peaceful animals that live in groups. Their long purple tongues help them grab leaves. Their tall bodies make them look unique and beautiful. Wolf. Wolves live in close, loving packs. They call to each other with long howls. They run far and hunt together. Their sense of smell is extremely strong. They live in forests and cold mountains. Wolves are loyal to their pack. Their thick fur keeps them warm. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, and no two are the same. They live in big herds. Their stripes help confuse predators. Zebras can run fast and for a long time. They graze on grass all day. Their whinnies sound cheerful. They live on African savannas. Antelope. Antelopes have long legs and are very swift. They can jump incredibly high. They live in large herds for safety. Their sharp ears and bright eyes detect danger quickly. They eat soft grass and young leaves. Many antelopes have beautiful curved horns. They are among the fastest animals on land. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragons have a special spiky beard under their chin. They are gentle and easy to care for. They love sunbathing to stay warm. They eat insects and leafy greens. When scared, they puff up their beard to look bigger. Their sharp claws help them climb. They live in dry parts of Australia. And that's the end of our adventure today, little explorers. Teacher Lucy had so much fun learning and playing with you. The animal world is full of surprises, and there's so much more to discover. See you on our next adventure. Goodbye, my little explorers.